I, Surinder Kaur, Reiki method practitioner and hypnotherapist, welcome on behalf of Spiritual Healing and Training Center for today's seminar on Reiki, hypnosis and Mani Mantra device course. Dr. R.S. Kamra, gold medalist in Reiki from RHF chapter OA Spiritual Center, New York, USA, is here with us. He was awarded gold medal in July 2003 for his wonderful working in the field of Reiki. Now, along with K. Sachdev Singh, Reiki method practitioner, Reiki grandmaster and hypnotherapist, he is running a training center for imparting training and attunement for various courses. Besides this, the training center, there is a Reiki clinic and nursing home. Is set premises, the patients are given treatment and psychic operations are done wherever required. By now, Dr. R.S. Kamra has conducted more than 44 psychic operations, cleaning of chronic diseases such as thyroid, jaundice, lady problems, etc. The center has given treatment to more than 2,000 patients in India and abroad. The treatment here is related to chronic diseases and family problems such as relation between husband and wife, father and son, court cases, property, disputes, etc. The patients are admitted in RCU, that is Reiki Care Unit. After the psychic operation in the center, there is always flow of positive energy as religious soothing music is playing. Reiki and Feng Shui products are available for sale and treatment. For awareness to the masses, the center has organized 16 free treatment and checkup camp in various schools, mandirs and gurdwaras for mass healing in West Delhi. Now the patients are coming for treatment from far away places and outside Delhi also. Because of the name and fame of the center, many people are coming to learn various courses or for treatment. The center is putting all efforts to bring this degree as a paramedical course and get it recognized from the university government. The RMPs can start their own clinic for treatment as being done in Japan and other countries. Now I would request Dr. R.S. Kamra to come and address the audience.
I hope you must have heard about Reiki and hypnosis. How many of you know about Reiki and hypnosis? And you might have heard. Some of you. Okay. Should I speak in Hindi or English?
Whatever.
What about you people? Should I go mix? Mix चले ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा?
As you wish.
No
problem.
That it should be convenient to all of you.
You can speak in Punjabi also.
Speaking for you, I can speak in Gujarati also. For me there is no problem. I can speak in Haryani also.
We shall gladly listen to you, neither in English, nor in Hindi, nor in Punjabi, nor in Gujarati. Rather, it should be English.
English.
I think English is the proper word, you know.
Some people doesn't understand. Reiki is just a word of Japan. In Japanese language called Reiki. If we call it in our own way, we can say Re means Ishwar, Ki means power, Reiki power, Ishwari Shakti, God's power, spiritual power, divine power. In whatever manner we can understand it, that is the supreme power about which we are going to talk today. After all, what is this Reiki? Let us understand.